Good morning. I just gave my crimson sweet watermelon some fertilizer and some water. It's going to be pretty hot today, so I figure I'll come out here early and give them something to drink. Normally I water my plants around 6 p.m., but today I decided to come out here and water them today. Excuse the noise. I live on a busy street. I have one watermelon right there growing, and I have another one right there, and I have two more, but they're fairly small. See if I can find them for y'all. If I can't find them right now, I'll make sure that I show you guys a little later today after I come out here and harvest some of my string beans. But yeah, I have like four crimson sweet watermelons growing. I got 4 plants in this pot, so I got one to each plant. I was waiting for some more female flowers to bloom, but doesn't look like I'm gonna get any more. So it looks like I'm only gonna have like 4 crimson sweet watermelons, but that's cool. Um, Thank you for watching, and I'll give you guys an update later.